create animated Instagram highlight covers in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, you need to launch the Canva application, and here you can simply see the option of templates. So tap on the search templates option. This is the easiest way so that you can create Instagram highlight covers over here. So what you can simply do is tap and search for animated Instagram highlight covers over here. So let me just search for it, and you'll be able to see different templates available under this particular category. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. So here you can see there are different highlight covers. So you can select whichever is more convenient for you, and you can download it for your device or just for your purpose. So you can simply tap on any of these options. You can make necessary edits as well if you would want. You can add text, you can change the colors and so on. So you can simply, if you want to change the color, tap on the particular region over here. So I'm going to tap on use this template and simply select on the particular color over here, and then you'll be able to change it according to your preference. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.